Srizfly Drone Logistics Simulation Training System. Realistic UTC Drone Transport Training. Part 1 Logistics Simulation. The system strictly follows the UTC Drone Cargo Training Standard Manual and faithfully recreates the real-world training field. It simulates the entire logistics workflow: loading, hooking, delivery, unhooking including winch lowering and retrieval. This delivers a highly professional and realistic drone cargo training experience. Part 2 Simulation Training. Using DJI Flycart 30 for simulation, the training mode provides step-by-step guidance. Object highlighting, on-screen prompts, and directional indicators ensure trainees can quickly learn and master the key UTC cargo transport techniques. Part 3 Control Simulation. The system faithfully replicates DJI Pilot 2's interface for the Flycart 30. With our delivery markers, one-tap winch lowering, and one-tap retrieval functions, trainees can experience the realism of actual logistics operations. Part 4 Training Summary. At the end of each session, the system displays a detailed summary including task names, completion times, and trainee records. This allows trainees to clearly review their performance and continuously improve their operational skills. Part 5 Real-World Applications. The UTC Drone Cargo Training Simulation has already been adopted by multiple training institutions as a core part of their curriculum. It improves training efficiency by 40% and reduces real-world operational errors by 60%. Trainees gain substantial hands-on experience before flying real drones, boosting confidence and sharpening emergency handling skills.